Meaning of evens.
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 Evens. The term evens typically refers to a betting system in which the odds of winning and losing are equal. This means that if someone places a bet on something with even odds, they have a 50-50 chance of either winning or losing the bet. For example, if someone bets on a coin toss with even odds, there is an equal chance of the coin landing heads or tails, resulting in either a win or a loss. Overall, the term evens signifies a fair and balanced betting system with equal chances for both parties involved.